Gwnaf symud ymlaen ar ôl gadael ysgol. Gwnaf gychwyn ar fy ngyrfa. Mae gadael ysgol yn gam pwysig yn dy fywyd. Mae rai pobl yn ffodus ac yn gwybod yn union beth yw eu cam nesaf. Efallai bod am fynd i'r coleg neu gychwyn swydd. Maen nhw'n barod. Ond beth os nad wyt ti'n gwybod beth i'w wneud? Beth os adewis i'r ysgol heb gymwysterau? Neu os nad oes gen ti sgiliau i wneud y gwaith? Gall hynny fod yn anodd. Mae'n anodd iawn dod o hyd i swydd heb y sgiliau cywir. Os wyt ti'n gweld eich hun yn y sefyllfa yma, efallai mae gwneud hyfforddiaeth yw'r ateb. Pwrpas cwrs hyfforddiaeth yw helpu unrhyw un 16 i 17 mlwydd oed sy'n ddi-waith, sydd ddim ar unrhyw fath o gwrs ac sy'n dal yn ansicr pa fath o swydd maent yn eisiau gwneud.
I left school and I went to college and then I came here because college isn't for me. I can't learn very well in a classroom full of people. Whereas I came here and there's not many people in this room, as you can see, and I get on with my work. My tutors are really helpful. If I need any help, I know I can just ask. It's easy to get on with your work, you don't get distracted, and yeah, there's help whenever you need it.
It's helped me a lot because I wasn't on the right path before I come on here. I was just messing around, getting in trouble.
Bydd hyfforddiaeth yn dy helpu gynyddu dy sgiliau mwyn cymryd y cam nesaf a mynd ymlaen i'r coleg, wneud prentisiaeth neu efallai canfod swydd. Ond yn ogystal â rhoi sgiliau i ti, bydd hyfforddiaeth yn rhoi rhywbeth arall i ti hefyd. Amser. Amser, i benderfynu pa fath o swydd y byddwch chi'n mwynhau. Mae cyrsiau ar gael ar gyfer pob math o swyddi, felly rwyt ti'n siŵr o ganfod rhywbeth rwyt ti'n ei fwynhau. Beth am arlwyo, adeiladu neu beirianneg, neu les anifeiliaid, gofal plant neu trin gwallt? Neu efallai bod gen ti ddiddordeb mewn gweithio ym myd technoleg wybodaeth, gweinyddu busnes neu'r cyfryngau? Mae llawer o ddewis, ond paid â phoeni, mae llawer o gymorth a chyngor i'w gael hefyd. Ac os nad wyt ti'n hoffi un cwrs, gellu newid a rhoi cynnig ar rhywbeth arall. Y peth pwysig yw dy fod yn mwynhau'r hyn o rwyt ti'n wneud. Oherwydd, os wyt ti'n mwynhau, mae'n debyg y bydde di'n gwneud y gwaith yn well.
I was a hairdresser at first, and then I moved to construction because I didn't find hairdressing was the one for me. I've learned loads, how to do joints, how to do a wall, how to plaster a wall.
Bydd hyfforddiaeth yn dy helpu ddysgu'r sgiliau i symud ymlaen mewn bywyd. Mae tiwtoriad yna i roi pob cefnogaeth i ti, ond mae'n wahanol iawn i'r ysgol. Byddent yn ymddiried ond ti fwrw ymlaen ar gwaith.
In here, you get to do your own thing. If you don't set yourself targets, you won't get nowhere. You're basically your own boss here. You have to choose your work you want to do, and then you have to figure out your weaknesses and your strengths in motor vehicle.
You're treated like adults. As long as you show respect, they'll show respect, and they haven't got a problem helping you. Like if you haven't got a clue what to do, they haven't got a problem with you asking. They'll just show you how to do it.
The tutors and assessors are lovely. They look after you. If you've got any problems, you can just ring their mobile. They can come and visit you in the salon, and they can talk you through. If you're not sure about cuts, you just tell them, they can talk you through it. They're really, really, really friendly.
Felly, os na wnes ti wneud yn dda yn yr ysgol, neu os na ches ti'r cymwysterau roedd ti eisiau, paid â phoeni. Mae hyfforddiaeth yn ffordd wych o fagu hyder a dysgu.
When I was in school, I was bullied and I didn't know how to read well. My confidence was really, really, really low. But ever since I came here, it's helped me progress my confidence, my communication skills, and meeting absolutely lovely people.
I would recommend it to anyone. It's a new environment, it's completely different to school, and it is a big step from school, but it's a good one.
Coming here, the tutors had a lot more expectations for me, rather than when I was in school they were just like, you will never achieve anything. The traineeship has given me a step, a foot in the door. I'd say to anyone, just give it a shot, just apply, because it's brilliant.
Ond beth sy'n digwydd ar ôl dy hyfforddiaeth? Beth yw'r cam nesaf? Dy benderfyniad di yw hynny. Cei weld, pan fydd gen ti hyfforddiaeth, bydd llawer o ddyrsy'n agor i ti.
20 years time I see myself running my own business, employing employees and then teaching them to be trained carpenters and joiners.
My ambition is to run my own salon, specialising in afro hair. I'll be aiming it at all different ages, and maybe a bit of beauty involved in the salon as well.
I've applied to do level 2 at college, and I hope that will take me on to film A-level film studies, and then I would like to go on to do university as well.
After this course, I'm actually going into a job with horses, so I'm going in as a groom. I'm hoping to go into the mounted police in the future, and that's what I'm working up towards now and getting my experience in.
I'm thinking about going to college and doing my level 2 after I finish here, so yeah, it's going to be good.
Felly, os hoffet ti symud ymlaen fel y bobl ifanc ma, rwyt ti'n gwybod beth i'w wneud, mynd ar gwrs hyfforddiaeth. Gwnaf symud ymlaen ar ôl gadair ysgol. Gwnaf ystyried gwneud hyfforddiaeth.